I've got here Mohammed. And how old are you?
8.
What's your experience with Amazon?
Like KDP and Helium 10 and stuff.
Okay.
And
What's your
I've just
favorite
like
tool?
the cerebral search.
Okay. So Cerebro, you like getting the keywords from there?
Yeah. I like to use Cerebral because it like gives me good keywords and also it gives me extra things to use. And I can export it to Excel easily and use and like sort it.
So then, I'm assuming it's your parents' account you're using. Do they give you some allowance, or do they give you some money from the books that you do, or do they keep it all for themselves?
Yeah, they give me the money that I earned.
Now, with the money you've earned, what kind of things do you buy?
I buy different like sweets and I also like to buy different stationery supplies.
Do you ever want to do other things on Amazon? Like, have you heard about